when I went to get my daughter from work, my check engine light came on. So now that'll get annoying. Okay, so that's new. This line, LIN bus 2 or bus D, that's new. I don't know what that is, but this isn't. That's the battery terminal sensor for the ground. Fuel rail system pressure too low. Fuel pressure sensor B. Okay, so now the fuel rail sensor in the front, the two that make this vehicle basically, I guess, run from the videos and everything I looked up from Googling it. So now it's the fuel pressure sensor rail, which actually I can show you exactly where they're at. So the fuel pressure, this one right here, the one that one, and then if you come over here, and then it's that one right there. Right there. So them are the two that need replaced on that, and then the other one that I was talking about is this. Follow that back. That sensor right there went out. So them are the three sensors that I had, but the one is new. So I'm assuming that's why the check engine light came back on, is because the fuel rail sensor, which is this one, wasn't on there. So that's why my check engine light came on. So alrighty, wait for this part to come in, and then I guess I gotta order the other part. All right, and you know, it's crazy. It probably would have cost me a couple $100, $200, $300, maybe even $500 just to figure out what that was if I wouldn't have bought this. If I wouldn't have got me a nice scanner. So I don't know what that is neither. I don't know what that code is, which I guess we can look it up. B129A indicates a fault in the battery management system. BMS line bus, usually causing front windshield wiper to stop working. Action erratically or causing battery drain. This commonly triggered by a fault corded BMS sensor on the negative battery. So I'm wondering if I'm replacing that, will that go away? Because I know I didn't have the fuel rail at first. So that's basically kind of what was happening this morning, why the car completely died on me, and when I started it back up, the check engine light came on. Alrighty,